In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a project under a space, private or public. Actually, making a project private or public is quite simple. Just follow these simple steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go to the specific project that you would like to make private or public. So I'll click under the space. And you can see I have here quite a number of projects. I'd like to go ahead and make this project private. And to do so, just head over to this ellipsis here and click on list settings. Now under this, head to sharing and permissions. And under this, you can see currently this project is public because we don't have a lock here. To make it private, head over to this make private and then click on it. And you see we have a lock added next to the project. Now this project is currently private and you can also see it here. It has a lock. Should you want to make it again public, again just head over to it here and then go to permissions and make public. And this will switch it again now to public, and you can see the lock has been removed. So that's how you can make a project public or private in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.